What if you could add powerful AI, like ChatGPT, directly into your app with just a few lines of code? That's exactly what the OpenAI SDK allows you to do. The OpenAI SDK is a developer toolkit that lets you connect your applications to advanced AI models. It simplifies how you interact with APIs for tasks like text generation, image creation, embeddings, and more. With the latest OpenAI SDK, you can build conversational AI using chat-based models, generate and edit text with high accuracy, create AI-powered agents that perform tasks, work with structured outputs for reliable responses, integrate tools like function calling for real-world actions. Using the SDK is straightforward. You install the library, authenticate with your API key, and send a request to the model. For example, you can prompt the AI, and it returns intelligent responses instantly, ready to use in your app. Developers use OpenAI SDK to build chatbots, coding assistants, recommendation systems, content generators, and even autonomous AI workflows. The SDK makes advanced AI accessible, scalable, and easy to integrate, helping developers innovate faster than ever. Start building with AI today and turn your ideas into intelligent applications.